Okay, whoops. Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to make some extra money on all of the different social networks using Amazon. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Amazon.com. I'm already logged in here, but you don't want to log in as yourself with your normal email on Amazon. You want to use the one I provide you with the password that I provide you. And after you do, you can actually choose any product on Amazon and get a link to it, a special link that you can share on all the social networks, and you'll get paid if anybody purchases anything after clicking that link. So today we're going to look at this backpack. It's one that my son has been eyeing for a while, and we think that he might, on his Instagram account, share it with his friends and somebody else might want it. So here we are. Shows how much it is, everything else. But up here, inside your special Amazon link or account, using the email address I provided you with, you'll have this Influencers and Associates site stripe. And there's a button here that says Get Link. So that's all you have to do. Store ID, that's always going to be the new stay-at-home mom 20. But there's different tracking IDs. This is the main one that I use. But if you're set up to start doing some work and making some money for me, you just choose the one that's yours. And then right here's your link. You can make it long if you want to. I don't know why you would, but short link is usually what I'd go. You just copy it, and then you go to Facebook.com. I'm going to log in. And this works especially well, when the holidays are coming. You can share gift ideas that you think your friends and family might. Oops, that didn't work, did it? Let's see if I can get in with that one. Let's try one. One of these. There we go. Okay, but, over the holidays, if you, have good ideas for what people would like, they click on it, and even if they don't want to buy it, if they come back to Amazon in a couple of days, they're still going to, you'll get the credit for it. Okay, so if you go in and click on a new post, paste that link, what it's going to do is it's going to show a little thumbnail of the actual product, and you can just say, "Isn't this cool? Vi loves it." And then you post it. And then when other people click on it, they'll be directed to go to Amazon.